To fix pink spikes in Roblox, do this. First, open your computer's search bar and look for Roblox Player. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Once you're there, right-click Roblox Player again until you see Open File Location, then click it. This should highlight Roblox Player Beta. Now right-click Roblox Player Beta and select Properties. Go to the Digital Signatures tab. Click the signature once, then choose Details. After that, click View Certificate. Now select Install Certificate. Choose Current User, then click Next. Automatically select the certificate store, click Next again, and then click Finish. You should see a message saying the import was successful. Click OK, then OK again, and close everything. Now open Roblox and the pink spikes should be gone. I hope this helped. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.